The winter finally come with a lot of snow, and I put some mixed seeds there for little birds to help them pass this hard period for them. I have a lot of small birds here: goldfinches, seaskins, blue teeth, wren, common blackbirds, this kind of birds. It's first snow this winter. It's heavy and the birds don't find so easily something to eat. I just put them there. No one come, but maybe after they will get used with this, they will come often and eat. Maybe I can do some nice footage with them. Hope to see some nice birds and film them. Hi friends, today it's the second morning after I put the feeders, and I saw a little activity there, and I will put the camera with my wildlife lens and try to catch some nice footage. We'll see. Like you see, it's a lot of activity there, a lot of small birds. Let's see them closer. I'm a little excited about this. All birds are here. Love how they're chirping. Good. Let's see where I'll put the apple slices. It's a little cold, not very, but somewhere around freezing temperature. Put the apple slices. Maybe this will attract the blackbirds. They are my favorite. I like blackbirds. I like how they sing. I'm not with my wildlife camera, but I will stay here a little. Maybe I have luck to film. After this I will go to my balcony to see if I catch them. Oh, let's see. Alright, I'll go now and put my camera for wildlife. Okay then, see you from up there. Hi friends, this is the fourth morning after I put the feeders for the birds. I filmed some. I'm happy because of the birds are very fast get used with the feeders. They don't scare anymore, they are curious. I will put the camera today because I saw some chaffinch, 4 or 5 chaffinch, and I want to film right. And maybe this is the last morning when I film them, because you know, if nothing new appear, I can film every morning the same birds. Alright then, let's see if we can see the chaffinch closer. Bye bye. This will be the end of this video. In 5 days, not really 5, because in first morning, no birds coming to the feeders. So let's say for 4 days I saw a lot of great teeth. They come first. After this I saw marsh teeth. I saw on Thursday the chaff finch, and the fourth day they come a lot here. I can't film it, but I see it today. The blue tip, the little one. I heard around here a lot of sparrows, but I can't see them. And I saw around feeder the common blackbird, and also pigeons and a lot of crows, but not at the feeder, around here. So thank you for watching this video, and I will continue to watch and bird watching the feeders, and if I saw new birds, new species, I'll try to film them and put it here on my channel. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.